Here is the camera that I got for the chicken coop. It doesn't show very much on the box. I mean, that's all it says for its name, for crying out loud, but so that's it. And it's already installed. So I'm going to go out to the coop and show you what it looks like. And then I will record some of the filmage, the shots from the camera, so you can see what it looks like. I have the new camera just plugged in here. Now it was going to go up here and over here to there and point towards the chicken coop, you know, into both, well, it's one run, but essentially both runs, and down into there. However, the camera wouldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. So we brought it out here instead, and there it is. It's a little lower, and then I have those two antennas pointed downwards. And then, I don't know, it just works there. It connects to the Wi-Fi, it has no problems. Now, it just means that I will not be able to see underneath the coop, but I'll be able to see everything in the extended run and the kennel. I'll even be able to see that if I really need to for some reason. And in the summer, when that plastic is gone, then I will be able to see, you know, chickens walking back and forth in there. It rotates side to side and then up and down, and it will look straight down to right there. And it'll see every part of the run in here. I recorded a couple of minutes using the actual camera up here, and while I was watching, you know, what was going on with my phone and the app, when I speak, it doesn't sound good. It just, like, because I'm too close to it, it just like bounces back and forth. It's like, you know, wah, wah, wah. I'm like, okay. Okay, I am standing underneath. I just ran the security camera. Ta-da! And yeah, it's working again. Someone from their tech support told me to unplug it and plug it back in. It's like, that is the most basic reboot instructions ever. And it worked. And I think the reason that it did work is whenever you plug this camera in, it, you know, goes through this testing system. So it goes all the way to the left, all the way to the right, up, down, back. And so what it did was it probably just, you know, erased any memory that was stuck in the system. At least that's my guess. But if it's as easy as that to fix it, then I'm back to loving the camera. Do you see that garden tool there? Yeah. When I see it through the security camera, it looked like a dead chicken body on the other side of the plastic. Here's the camera, and it was looking there, and it literally looked like a dead chicken, and no dead chicken. Yay! I'm so happy. So this camera sometimes has problems connecting, but it also sometimes won't rotate as far as it should, up and down or side to side. So I'm going to unplug it here in a moment and show you what it does when it reboots. And it actually, so far, fingers crossed, I've had to do it once. But every time you unplug it, it goes through this self-diagnostic routine. All right, I unplugged it and plugged it back in, and I'll show you what it does.
Welcome to use intelligent camera.
Last time when it went through this, it cleared it so that I was able to fully rotate it back and forth and up and down. It's almost as if something got stuck in the memory and it couldn't go any further than it was. Rebooting it definitely helps. If anyone has a security camera that is working off of Wi-Fi and it freezes like that, it just won't go any further to one way or the other, turn it off and turn it back on. You know, I should have done that to begin with, but I also like getting an answer from the company, you know, suggesting that, because then that tells me it might be a known thing rather than an issue. Plus, they now have on record that I have had an issue and I've complained about it.